Want to create a new email mailbox in Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once logged in, click on the Emails option from the menu panel. Select the email account you want to work on, and it will take you to the overview page. Click on the Email Accounts option from the middle panel. You will see the selected email account. Click on Create Mailbox, enter a name for your email, set a new password, and click Create. Go back to the Email section and check the list of email accounts. Click on the newly created email, and you'll see that the mailbox is now active under the Email Account section. Click the arrow key next to it, and the inbox will open automatically in a new browser tab. That's how you create a professional email account in Hostinger. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And if you need to get a discount on Hostinger, use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. See you in the next video.